Which leather steering wheel cover is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Oozorb Microfiber Leather Cover. The Oozorb car steering wheel cover, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention was its high-quality microfiber leather and anti-slip lining. If you want a stylish and durable cover without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The high-quality microfiber leather feels great to touch, and the meticulous stitching gives it a premium vibe. This cover fits standard steering wheels of 14.5 to 15 inches, so it should fit most cars. The anti-slip rubber lining ensures you have a solid grip, which is crucial for safety. Plus, it's designed to protect your steering wheel from the sun and scratches, keeping it looking new longer. With over 10,000 sold recently, it seems to be a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the tip to warm it up in the sun or use a hairdryer, it makes a world of difference. It's not a deal breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, stylish upgrade for your steering wheel. Skip this one if you're looking for something more luxurious, but for the price, it's a solid buy. Now, if the installation challenge with the Oozorb bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Valley Comfy Microfiber Cover. The Valley Comfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover, available for $15.99. What stood out to me was its skid-proof and heat-resistant design. If you're looking to protect your steering wheel while adding a touch of style, this is definitely worth considering. This cover is crafted from high-quality microfiber leather, which not only looks good, but is also eco-friendly. It fits steering wheels between 14.5 to 15 inches, making it versatile for various cars. The skid-proof feature means you'll have a secure grip, which is especially important during long drives. It's also designed to withstand heat, so no worrying about it melting in the summer sun. With 6,000 units sold in the last month, it seems to be winning over drivers everywhere. However, some users mention that it can feel a bit loose over time. But honestly, if you measure your wheel correctly before buying, this shouldn't be an issue. So it's not a deal breaker if you follow the guidelines. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional cover that's easy to install. Skip this one if you need something custom fitted for a specific model, but it offers great value for the price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for style-conscious drivers. Product number 3, Oozorb Microfiber with Red Line. Another Oozorb model, this one featuring a striking red line design for $9.99. What caught my eye was how it adds a pop of color to your car's interior. If you want a stylish yet protective cover that stands out, this one's worth a look. Just like its sibling, this cover is made from high-quality microfiber leather and fits standard wheels of 14.5 to 15 inches. The red line adds a sporty touch that can enhance the overall look of your dashboard. The anti-slip rubber lining still ensures that you have a secure grip while driving, which is super important. With 4,000 units sold recently, people are clearly loving the style it brings. However, some folks mention that the color might fade over time, but I'll be real with you. If you take care of it and keep it out of harsh sunlight, you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker if you're careful. This is perfect for you if you want something that combines style and functionality. Skip this one if you dislike bold colors, but for the price and style, it's a great pick. Now, if you're looking for something more premium, the next product is all about luxury and comfort. Product number 4, Uxer Napa Leather Steering Wheel Cover, priced at $23.74. What really impressed me is its perfect fit for Tesla Model 3 and Y. If you own a Tesla and want a cover that looks and feels premium, this is definitely worth your attention. This cover is made from breathable Napa leather, providing a soft touch while being durable. It's designed specifically for Tesla models, ensuring a snug fit that won't slip. The anti-slip silicone lining enhances grip, which is critical for a smooth driving experience. Plus, it protects your steering wheel from damage, making it a practical choice as well. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clear that Tesla owners appreciate this upgrade. On the flip side, some users found it a bit pricey compared to generic covers, but honestly, you're paying for a tailored fit and the quality of materials. If you drive a Tesla, that's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a Tesla owner looking for a luxury touch. Skip this one if you drive a non-Tesla vehicle, but for Tesla enthusiasts, it's a must-have. Finally, if you want something that blends fashion and functionality, the next product might just hit the spot. Product number 5, Sut Swamp Leather Cover. The Sut Swamp Leather Car Steering Wheel Cover, available for $14.99. What struck me was its stylish beige and black contrast, which adds a touch of elegance to your car. If you want a combination of safety and style, this cover deserves your attention. Made from durable leather, this cover offers a non-slip surface for better grip. It fits standard steering wheels of 14.5 to 15 inches, ensuring a snug fit. The soft inner side protects your steering wheel from scratches and also helps with sweaty hands, making it comfortable to hold. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's clearly gaining popularity. However, a few users mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. It's not a major issue if you're willing to take a little time to install it correctly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cover that also enhances your grip and safety. Skip this if you prefer a simpler design, but for the unique look and functionality, it's a great choice. We have the Uzorp Microfiber Leather Cover for budget-friendly style, Valley Comfy for eco-conscious protection, the Uzorp with Redline for sporty flair, Yuxer for that premium Tesla experience, and Sut Swamp for a fashionable touch. Each has its pros and cons, but there's definitely something for everyone here. So pick the one that fits your style and needs best.